You know, when I think about it, I think one of the most underutilized techniques for walleyes is using a lipless crankbait. Now, I live by Green Bay. Obviously, when you're thinking springtime fishing, lipless baits are extremely popular. And this is the new Berkley Jack right here, a bait that we just helped Berkley design. And we did a couple things with this bait to extend the longevity of the lipless technique. You're gonna be able to fish this bait in the summer now, and there's 3 different sizes, a 6, a 7, this is a 7 right here, and an 8. The 8 is all the way up to a 1-ounce bait, so it's gonna sink fast. But we did some things with the body to make it sink even a little bit faster. You can see how streamlined this bait is. It's a lot thinner. The other thing is we positioned the weights within it to the point where we can get that real fast sink down to even fish this thing down into that 30-35 foot of water. Now, because we built the body so thin, it maintains that really nice tight rolling action that walleyes truly love. So really, this is a bait that I just think is underutilized throughout all the months, but also all the different types of systems. So the Berkley Jack, if you haven't thrown a lot of lipless crankbaits for walleyes, give this thing a try. Anywhere from shallow water to deep water, this thing's gonna catch you a lot of walleyes.